Hey YouTube, whoever's watching this. So what I have here is a 2.5 gallon container full of, well, what I did, had a small bucket full of chicken manure, chicken crap, and dirt, and then I added water, and I've been letting it sit for about a week, yeah, out in the sun on purpose to get it decompose, with water in it, filled all the way to the top, and now I've put it into this container, and oh man, it smelled horrible. I'm pretty sure I should have a biohazard suit on or something. I mean, I usually don't gag, but the smell, oh, horrible. But I have high hopes. It's a little bit of homemade fertilizer is what it is. So essentially chicken crap, water, and some fertilizer dirt. I want to put it on my wife's pepper plants and see how they do. I also want to put on some of her flowers. I'm not going to tell her though, because she'll probably freak out, especially if she could smell how bad it was. I haven't measured anything out in proper proportions. This is just kind of a take one and see what it does. I'm not going to get on the leaves. I'm going to be careful with that. This is strictly going to go towards the base of the roots. So today is August 16th. We'll see what it does in a couple weeks. I will do a second part to this. And next time I'll probably have a clothespin on my nose. At least a gas mask is so nasty. But it might be worth it. Fingers crossed.